Hello and welcome to the metalshak. In today's video I am making a Viking style unboxing knife for my friend Ezekielo, who does technology reviews on YouTube. Ezekiel taught me how to set up a YouTube channel and make YouTube videos, so I hope you enjoy this video. I started today's project by drawing out half of this 10cm mild steel. Then I started roughly shaping the blade. Then I put a very slight bevel on the blade just so that it would be a bit easier when grinding. Then I put a small twist on the part that I'd drawn out. Then I put a little scroll on what I'd drawn out. Then I bent my drawn out part in half to form the handle. Then just using 2 scrap pieces of wood I straightened the knife. And now with all of the forging done, it's time to start grinding in the bevels. Then using a very small file, I added a sharpening choil. Then I took it back to my belt grinder to sharpen. And then using a wire brush on my angle grinder I cleaned it up. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to support this channel then why not subscribe, but that is all from me for today. I will see you next time.